Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to fix Apple CarPlay unable to connect to iPhone on iOS 18. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so the first step is to just restart your iPhone if you haven't already tried it. The second step is to try a different Wi-Fi connection. If you have tried that, just make sure if you have tried that, you can try updating to a more stable iOS 18 version, or you can revert back to iOS 17 and make sure your iOS 17 is updated to the latest version. The reason I'm suggesting that is because iOS 18 is not available officially, so it's bound to have some bugs. If all of this doesn't help, you can go to their official Apple support website, and there are instructions to troubleshoot your system. So check your connection to your CarPlay stereo. If CarPlay doesn't activate automatically, look for the CarPlay logo on your car's display and select it. Restart your iPhone and your car. Make sure that Siri is on. If your iPhone isn't detected by CarPlay, make sure that CarPlay is restricted. So go to the settings, screen time, content and privacy, restrictions. If content and privacy is on, tap allowed apps and make sure CarPlay is enabled. You can go to settings, general, CarPlay, tap your car and forget this car, and then set up your CarPlay again. Make sure your CarPlay stereo is using the latest firmware from the car manufacturer, and check your car's manual for more instructions. So you can try doing this step, and this is the most important step. So to do that, just go to settings, screen time, and here just click on content and privacy restrictions and allowed apps and features, and here make sure CarPlay is added, otherwise it won't work. Alright, so yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.